It's like he doesn't hear a word I say. His mind is somewhere far away, and I don't know how to get there. It's like all he wants is to chill out. Makes me wanna pull all my hair out, like he doesn't even care. You, me, we're face to face, but we don't see eye to eye. Like fire and rain, you can drive me insane, but I can't say mad at you for anything. We're Venus and Mars, like different stars, but you're harmony to every song I sing, and I wouldn't change it.